Are you able to work if you have TDIU? My name is Melanie Williams, and I'm a VA law attorney, and I've been practicing for 8 years. And I'm going to answer that question for you with a couple examples. If you are receiving TDIU benefits, there are two instances in which you can still work. The first is what's called marginal employment. So that's if the amount that you are making in 1 year is under the federal poverty threshold. So for 2023, that amount is around 14,500. It changes each year. So I usually tell my veterans it's around 12,000, but it's gone up in the last few years. The second instance in when you can work and still receive TDIU benefits is what's called sheltered employment, or a protected work environment. That's if you are working for a friend or a family member or someone who is making extreme accommodations for you. They know and understand that you have a condition that you're dealing with. Maybe they're making an exception for you because they know you're a veteran, and so they don't hold you to the same standards that they hold everyone else. Maybe they created this position specifically for you. Oftentimes, veterans are able to arrive to work at whatever time they are able to. They're able to call out sick an unlimited number of times, or they're able to leave early. So basically, it's when the employer creates this sort of sheltered environment to where if you were to work anywhere else, you wouldn't be able to maintain that job. The only reason you're able to maintain the job is because they're making that special accommodation or exception for you. One example of a veteran's case where he recently was awarded TDIU benefits is a veteran who worked in the maintenance department of a homeless shelter. He was not necessarily working full time because he would come in the hours that he could. He suffered from extreme headaches and migraines. And so his employer actually wrote a statement stating that the only reason that they had not fired him is because he was a veteran and they felt bad and they were worried about what might happen to him if they didn't employ him. And so they made extreme exceptions and accommodations for him to where if he didn't finish the work, they would have someone else come in and finish the work for him. They didn't assign him as many tasks as they did other people. He was able to still get TDIU working in this position because his boss himself acknowledged that it is a sheltered position. Thank you for watching this video on when you can work while receiving TDIU benefits. I'm sure you have other questions on TDIU, so click this video right here to see how to file for TDIU benefits.